That's insane. Oh my gosh, that's insane. Dude. Oh, that bird. Those birds, they're like... Oh, no. Oh, crash. Oh, someone got in a crash already.
Is that freaky outside?
We just heard a police. Like, it's so crazy. You'd think it'd be super easy to get.
Yeah, this wind could blow Roswell away. It was like making the tramp hover.
Like, seriously. Like, my dad had to go put a sandbag on the tramp so that it didn't fly away, because it was like a UFO. It was like hovering.
It used to be on there.
See where the stool is? Right there. That's where I put the sandbag.
Oh.
That trampoline almost blew over the fence.
Oh my god.
Like, you can see it was over here. It blew all the way over to the fence, and then it was like rising up in the air.
I can't believe you even went out there.
The ball's going.
The balls.
What's up, Dyches kids?
What's up?
Your name is Roswell.
I'm bleeding.
And his name's Roswell. You're bleeding.
I'm bleeding. I bleed my head and my hair.
Uh-oh.
I broke my head.
You bonked your head. Tayden's eating a plate full of syrup. Mom made us some delicious waffles this morning.
No, the children demanded waffles on a snow day.
But not just any waffles.
You're eating waffles.
Not Kodiak cake waffles. I'm drinking milk.
It looks like you're drinking yogurt.
I'm drinking my yogurt.
Yogurt. What's up, Dyches fam? We hope you guys are doing awesome today. So yes, as I recorded earlier, there is a blizzard going on outside. It about blew our tramp over the fence. And the kids aren't going to school today. Right? Who's excited not to go to school?
Hopefully you don't have to do chores.
I know it doesn't look very bad here, but the kids' school is like up by the mountain, and they said it was a whiteout, and people couldn't even get up the roads to go to it. And the wind has been blowing so hard. Roswell kept waking up in the middle of the night scared because the window was like shaking.
And he thought it was the garbage truck
Oh,
outside.
the garbage truck is so loud. He woke up and he's like, "Garbage truck."
Yeah, the tractors, huh? Yeah, it's crazy, windy, snowy out there. And it's March. We thought we were done with winter, but not quite yet. We needed one more fun snow day.
Yeah. Guys, and today is my nephew and these guys' cousin Huddy's birthday.
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Hudson. Happy birthday, Hudson.
Happy birthday, Hetty. We love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Hudson. We love you, buddy, and we can't wait to celebrate tonight. Hopefully the weather will let us come and hang out with you. So, Nikoi, what did you just realize?
Hudson's turning 9. He's the same age as me.
That's right. So you and Hudson are the same age.
Yep.
You're both 9.
Yep.
Oh, man.
Do you like having your brothers and sister home?
I think that's a yes.
You like spanking your bat?
Yeah. What?
You're silly. Mom, thanks for breakfast.
Wow.
So, since the kids didn't have school today, Dad's on babysitting duty. Actually, Mom had to go hang out with her friend, and she took William and Roswell. And I get to hang out with these two cool kids.
The old dudes.
And the old dudes, what's up? So, what are we doing?
Watching Goonies.
Watching what?
Goonies. The Goonies.
The Goonies?
Yeah.
Straight out of the 80s, guys. Have you guys ever seen The Goonies?
Yes, let us know in
Seriously,
the comments
classic.
below. So good.
Maybe some of you guys are a little too young
And
for
in
it.
Indiana Jones, like the little kid.
The little
he's
Asian
in it.
kid.
Oh yeah, he's in it.
Dr. Jones! Dr. Jones! Right? He's funny in this too. Okay, roll it. Hi. Okay, go for it.
Da, da, da,
Look at Abe. Dave Nicole, you liking it so far?
Yes.
We're about 30 minutes in. It's great. Oh! What'd you guys think of Goonies? That's a great movie, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So good.
Wow, what a fun day, right guys?
Yes.
Just chillaxing, but now it's time to eat some food. And Dad's cooking. Wow. What's for lunch, guys?
Domino's Pizza.
Yeah! That's how Dad likes to cook.
This is probably the best day of my life. Actually, the best year of my life. We're gonna have a lot of fun.
Oh yeah, so here we got some cheese pull-apart thingies.
Mine. Chicken.
We got some boneless chicken.
And finally,
Dun, dun, dun.
Last but not least, we have the
pepperoni pizza.
oh yeah. We seriously love Domino's, right guys?
Yes.
Okay, time to eat some lunch.
Let's eat.
Hi, pretty lady. Wow. What's up, Dyches kids? How's everybody doing?
Good.
Still enjoying your snow day?
Yes.
Did you guys do anything today or just sit in the house?
Just sit in the house.
That's what you have to do.
I didn't just sit in the house.
What'd you do, buddy? What? You went to your friend's house.
That's right. Me and William and Roswell got to go play with our friends today. Well, Tate and Nicole stayed home and watched Goonies, though. They've really been wanting to do that.
Yeah, I don't know why you guys decided to leave the house. It's so cold.
We're not
Hey,
wimps.
Dyches kids,
Yeah.
where are we headed right now?
Hudson's basketball game.
That's right.
Basketball idea.
It's my nephew Hudson's birthday today, like we already mentioned. And we're going to go support him and cheer him on in some basketball. That dude loves playing basketball, right, guys?
Yeah, I love playing basketball.
William
Yeah.
does too.
Yeah, we actually play a lot of basketball when that little dude's around. So we're going to go cheer him on, right, Dyches fam?
Let's go.
Later. There's my honey buddy. So that guy standing by my brother Troy is my cousin Chris. Troy and Chris were best friends growing up as kids. And his son plays on the same team as Hudson. That dude right there.
Happy birthday, Hudson. Love you.
There's Nicole. Nicole. Good job, honey. This is your glamour shot. Glamour shot. What's up, Nick? How you doing, buddy?
Good game, Hudson.
Good game, Hudson. What's up, buddy?
Oh, troublemaker.
Grandma, she got on my back and now I'm getting on her back.
Break her back, would you?
Okay.
Where's Huddy? There he is. There's our Huddy, buddy. Happy birthday, big guy. You ready to go eat some dinner or what? Okay.
I'm hungry.
Hungry. Feed this boy. Give Nixon a big hug. Squeeze him. Go give Huddy Buddy a big hug.
Celebration ride. Hop on.
Oh man. Okay, take off, ostrich. Giddy up. Yo. What's up, guys? My name's Rosa Blair. I just like to sleep in my car seat. Yo. What's up, everybody? We're at Brick Oven. We're gonna eat some dinner with the Dyches fam for Hudson's birthday. My uncles and my aunt and Nixon and Natalia and Huddy and Grandma and Grandpa Dyches are there. We're gonna have so much fun. Why don't you join us? This little guy's out. He's a sleepy little dude. Rosie, it's time to wake up, buddy. How cute he is. Roswell, it's time to wake up, big guy. Come on. Oh, let's open them big old cute eyes of yours, huh? Be alright. Can you start to wake up, little buddy? Nixon wants to play. And Huddy wants to see you for his birthday. Okay? Are you being silly? No? You want to get out? You want to go see your cousins? And your grandma and grandpa? Okay, so let's go.
Oh.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. I love you.
Cute.
You're so cute. You love me too?
Cute.
In a good mood? Good boy. Should we go eat some pizza? Roswell, what is it? You like croutons? There's a birthday boy chowing down. What do you got? Some pasta? Some bread? Yeah? Is it good? Matt got a whole tray of water spilled on him. And a Coke.
I'm not eating right now.
Show me your back.
I haven't been eating at all.
Show me your back.
So here we are at
We need to have him do it again. So we
I know.
Get it on.
You're already wet.
Yeah, but so we got free appetizers.
Oh, thanks, Matt.
He sacrificed his body.
Taking one for the team. Eat this crouton, Nixon. It's delicious. It's yummy. How is it, Will? Peyton? Hudson? Matt's still wet? Kenzie? McCoy? Natalia? Troy, thumbs up? Or hang loose? Or I love you? Dad?
It's weird. Sometimes I'm like,
Why is
Wow.
it we always have food in it?
Happy birthday, dear Huddy Buddy. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Invisible cake. Oh,
Could you put?
round two. Hudson, give your dad a five or a thumbs up. A five thumbs up. Roswell, calm down. Calm down.
That's what you need to calm down.
Oh my god.
Hudson. I think he weighs as much as you.
But, honey, there's one condition. That's gotta stay down to grandma and grandpa.
Grandpa wants to play really bad.
Yeah.
Chloe's pretending to be asleep. Don't smile, guy. Oh, you're not pretending to be asleep? Boy, I misjudged you. I'm sorry. Roswell, you asleep? No. You took a nap earlier, huh? Okay, Dyches fam, what do we tell Hudson?
Happy birthday.
We sure do love you, Huddy Buddy.
You said happy birthday?
Yes, it's a happy birthday.
Okay, guys, that's going to be it from the Dyches fam. Thanks for hanging out with us today, right, Mom?
It was a good day, except for the crazy snowstorm, but it's nice to have the kids home.
It was a great day.
Wanna go on a boat with tiny.
Space. Okay.
it out, Roswell.
Hey, kids in the back.
Who wants to go to school tomorrow?
Not me.
Should we have another snow day?
Yeah.
Oh, Roswell doesn't want to go.
I don't want to. Can we?
Guys, that's going to be it from the Dyches fam today. Thanks for hanging out with us. We appreciate it, and we'll see these guys when?
Tomorrow.
Peace out, Dyches fam!
Peace out.